Pi Network Coin 2027 in the next 4 years. If Pi Network Mainnet is launched this year, 2023, now the first 4 years, now when we're comparing this, it's because we are comparing Pi to Bitcoin, Pi to Ethereum, Pi to BNB, at least Bitcoin first 4 years, Ethereum first 4 years, BNB first 4 years. Because this coin they have a lot of millions of global users. They have this market cap that is loading. Once it's launched, you are going to see billions of market cap loading for Pi Network. Now, if we give this coin in 4 years time, okay, if we give this coin 48 months, that should be 48 months, how much do you think Pi Network will be worth? BTC in the first 4 years is really worth a lot, though BTC struggled a lot. Ethereum, you have seen today in 2017, Ethereum was trading at $1, and in 2021, Ethereum have already hit about $701,000. No, 2022 Ethereum was trading at $2,000 early 2021, but towards the late of 2021, Ethereum was able to hit over $3,000 to $4,000. Okay, now $1 to $4,000. Let's put it that way. Then BNB in early that was in 2018. It was trading at 10 cents, our lowest price. Now in 2022, okay, after 4 years, 2018, 19, 20, 22, that was last year. Of course, we saw BNB and in late 2021 even hit about over $600. So you see that Pi Network in the next 4 years to come, so many people believe that they have so many community more than that of all these coins when they started, that they believe that in the next 4 years, 2027, that one Pi might be hitting $10,000. This is a kind of prediction. When I saw this prediction on the forum and people commenting that yes, in 4 years, if Pi Network is launched with a high price, let's say if Pi starts from $100 price, or if Pi starts from $50, let's say in 4 years Pi will be even trading more than $10,000. So let's say assume $10,000 price for Pi. In 4 years, one Pi equals to $10,000. Though I believe that in 4 years, if BTC is trading at $200,000 or if BTC is trading at $500,000, that Ethereum might be hitting towards $30,000 or $50,000. Okay, now Pi in 4 years might still not be up to Ethereum. Ethereum might still be the second coins, but Pi at $10,000, I believe in 4 years BNB might be hitting towards $3,000 or $5,000. And if Pi is reaching $10,000, that will make Pi one of the top crypto coins. But $10,000 price, I don't think it's possible, because it's not easy. Even though we know they have all the characteristics, they have all the community, and I know, but anything can happen though. But let's hope for the best. But it depends on how much Pi we start with, because I believe that Pi is definitely going to pump a lot of price. Let's hope for the best to see in 2027, if Pi is launched this year, what will be the price of Pi Network Coin. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video. Once again, thank you for stopping by, and please share our video, love our video. Kindly turn on notification. I know you don't want to miss our next update.